Record na ko. Okay, Keo. How are you today, Keo boy?
Fine.
Wow, that's good to hear you're fine. Teacher is very happy to have that. Okay. So now we are going to have the speaking class. Okay. Okay, fine, Keo. So how many scores do we have yesterday?
I have 700. Oh, I don't remember.
Okay, you don't remember? Oh, teacher, I remember. You know how much you have? You have? Oh, you don't have notebook? Oh, you
I
check
have
your note.
not.
Oh, you check your notebook.
I can write in 34, 31.
It's 831 and how many? How many points?
Bonus.
That's 20 bonus. Okay.
Wait, I think it's 34 already.
It's 36 plus 20 bonus. Okay. 836 plus 20 bonus. Do you understand, teacher?
Yes. Let
Okay.
me take a pencil.
You get pencil. Okay. Now, teacher Ann, we're going to conduct a spelling test. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Here, no spelling, sorry. Speaking test. Speaking class. I know you find this very easy and you like speaking. I know.
I know you like you. I know that already because I told you that.
Ah, okay. Here. Okay now, Ken. So, Ken, sorry, Keo. Okay.
Teacher, may I go out?
Okay, for a while you go out. You drink water first. Okay. So teacher Anne will ask you a question about this. Okay. Okay. Number one. So I will give points every questions being answered. If you answered one questions, of course, in a part one, if you answered 5 questions, you can have 5 correct answers. Okay, Keo?
Okay.
Okay. Number one, Keo boy. What is your favorite meal of the day?
I think it's breakfast.
Yeah. Why do you like breakfast?
because
Because
because it helped me to study in the morning.
wow, very good. Of course, when you eat breakfast, it will help you study and that will make you strong. Don't you know, Kayo, that breakfast is one of the very important meal of the day. So you have to eat breakfast a lot because it's very important. Okay? Okay. Okay, very good. Next, what food do you like best?
I like pizza best.
Wow, really? You like pizza best? Oh, that's good to hear that you like pizza. Okay. Okay. Now, okay, next one. What food, Kayo, that you don't like?
I don't like a fry.
You don't like
French fry.
French fries? You don't like French fries?
Yeah,
Oh, why?
because it tastes not good.
The taste doesn't. How about butay honey? Honey. Okay. How about because in pizza, I mean in French fries, the taste is not good. How about if we will put a cheese on the French fries?
It tastes good.
Yeah, it tastes good. When you put a French fries, you will put a cheese because that will taste the French fries good. You can put a flavor of barbecue. You can put a sour and cream. That will make it very tasty anymore. Okay, French fries you don't like. Now, Kiyo, do you love cooking? Can you cook?
No, it's
Ah, okay. Can you cook? Okay, you don't like to cook. Okay, here. Okay, that's also your answer. How often does cooking in your family? Do you cook every day?
no.
Okay, who cook in your house?
My grandma and my mother.
Wow, do you have two person who cooks in your family? Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, next. Can you talk to me about the dish that you really like best?
it's pizza.
Oh, you tell me what pizza or what flavor of the pizza that you like.
The fiber of pizza it has a barbecue, a sausage, and a sushi on it.
Ah, really? Do you like there is a pineapple?
Pineapple? No.
Ah, okay. You want pizza, there's a sausage, there's a barbecue in the top. You like that flavor?
Yeah, and a sushi on the side,
The
on the
side.
outside.
Yeah. And then, when was the last time you eat pizza? When?
I don't remember.
Oh, how about last weekend? Did you eat pizza or no?
No, I don't eat pizza.
Okay. Next, very good. At least you tell me everything about that. Okay. Now, food. Oh my God. Can you see the kale? Can you see the
I see a
different food?
pizza.
Where is it? Oh, here. Okay. Okay. For this food, we have hot dog. Do you like hot dog?
Yes,
Okay. How about cheese? You like cheese?
I don't like cheese.
Okay. How about chicken
I like chicken.
and corn? You eat corn?
I never eat corn, but it tastes not good.
The corn tastes good when you put a flavor on that. There's a sour and cream. There's a cheese. Okay. How about
Yeah.
watermelon? Have you eaten watermelon?
Yes.
Oh, watermelon is very nice, right?
Yes.
Very
But
yummy.
actually, it's hot.
Oh, really? It's hot?
Yeah. Inside it was hot, but outside it was cold.
Oh, really? The watermelon in the Philippines, it's very sweet. The color is red.
But inside it was hot. The science told that.
Oh, really? I didn't know about that. How about fruits? Do you like fruit salad? This
Yes.
one.
I like food.
Yeah. How about cookie? You
Okay.
told me you like cookie. Yeah. What's your favorite cookie?
It's the one with the chocolate.
Wow, the same with teacher, and I love cookie chocolates. How about vegetable? I know you're very good at vegetable.
I love vegetable.
Of course. What's your favorite vegetable, Kale?
You know that mango.
No, not vegetable. Mango is not vegetable. It is fruit. Your vegetable. Broccoli. You like broccoli?
No. I like cucumber.
Wow, that's my favorite also. I like cucumber. The color is green. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, that's my favorite and your favorite also. How about chocolate? Do you like chocolate?
Yes, but eat much color chocolate is not good for my teeth.
Very good. So you can eat chocolate but not too much because that will destroy your teeth. How about sandwich?
And sandwich, I like sandwich
What?
with my flavor on it.
What's the flavor of sandwich that do you like most?
White chocolate.
Ah, really? Sandwich with chocolate.
The white chocolate.
The white chocolate. Okay. How about orange? Do you like orange?
I like orange.
Lemon. I'm sorry. Grapes.
I like grapes.
Wow. Oh, here. The cucumber. Can you see the cucumber?
Yes.
Yeah, you love it. How about soup?
I love cucumber.
Yeah, and also teacher Anne. How about soup? Do you like soup?
Yes.
Okay, because you answers very good here and you are listening to teacher, I will give you 10 points. Yay!
Okay.
So you've got 16 points here. Continue. Okay. Now, look at this one. These are the foods. Oh, what is this? This one.
It's a bee.
Why do you think the bee is here? Why? It
Because of a wind.
of a wind, and they get nectar from the flower.
Flower.
Yeah, okay, here. Now, you are done with that. Okay. You answer it properly. Thank you for that, Keo. Now we have here. The answers should be at least 3 sentences. Number 1. Okay, dish. You know what is dish?
Yes.
Okay, these are example of dish. The food that is in your table. Okay? Okay, so your favorite dish is chicken, meat, or vegetable? You tell me.
Vegetable.
Wow. And how do the vegetable cook? How?
We just put the vegetable on the pot, then put at the fire, then it will burn and we can eat it.
This already seasoning? You put seasoning, put in the pot, the vegetable seasoning, and then put the fire, and it will become vegetable. Yeah. Wow. Why do you like it, Keo?
Because it's good for our health.
Wow. How many person in the family eat vegetable?
All of my family eat vegetable.
Wow. Also your younger brother?
Yes.
Wow. So you're a vegetable lover. Okay. This is what you mean by the word dish. So we have cupcake. Can you see that? We have the soup, the bread maybe, and something donut. Do you know what is donut?
Yes.
Have you eaten a donut?
Yes.
Yeah. Does it
A
delicious?
chocolate donut with a sprinkle on it.
Yeah, I know. I understand that. It's a chocolate donut and there's a sprinkle and it's very yummy. You understand?
Yes.
Yeah. Have you tried eating it?
Internet.
No, not tonight. You tried it? You ate that
No.
already? You ate that already?
Yes.
Okay, now very good. Okay, very good, Kayo. I will give you 3 points. 1, 2, 3. Very good. So you've got total of 19 points. Wow. Here, next one. Okay. Okay, I will ask you. Do you often eat fast food like in the
No.
restaurant? Do you eat in the restaurant?
I eat in the restaurant, but I never eat but I never eat fast food.
Wow.
I just eat fast food for some time.
Wow, very good answer. Okay, next. Are you your mom? Who is the good chef? Your mom or your grandma?
My grandpa, my grandma is a good chef.
Oh, good chef. Okay. At what times do you usually eat your meals in the morning? What time you eat in the morning?
I think it's 6 o'clock.
Oh, very early? How about in the lunch?
11 o'clock
Where did you eat lunch? In the school or in your house?
in my school.
Wow. How about evening time?
Evening
Yeah, dinner.
at 7 o'clock. Or
Oh,
I
wow, very early kayo? Wow. Okay. Did you
and 4 o'clock I go down and play. To 6 o'clock I go home.
Wow, very good. So when you arrive at home 4 o'clock, you play until 6. And then 6 you will go upstairs, you will eat. And then 8 o'clock you will study with teacher.
No, I was myself. Then 7 o'clock I eat bread. I eat dinner and then 8 o'clock
Study with teacher. Okay. So did you have breakfast or lunch today?
I have breakfast.
Okay, and lunch also. What is your viand? What is your food in the lunch?
I don't remember.
Oh, it's okay. Naka, do you always eat vegetable?
Yes.
Wow, that's very good. Do you always eat fruit every day?
No.
Okay, no. What food do you
In the morning I don't eat vegetable, but in lunch and in the evening I eat fruit.
Wow. What food do you think is unhealthy, not healthy?
I think is cafe.
What else? Chips. Chips is not healthy. What else?
Yes.
Candy?
Yeah.
What else? Give me more.
Chocolate.
Chocolate, not healthy. How many? What else? Do you have something in your mind? Candy.
Coca-Cola.
Yeah, Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is not healthy, but Coca-Cola is delicious, right? It's yummy, yummy.
Yeah.
And you like it, right? And teacher and like it too. Okay? Okay. Now, how many points did teacher Ann give you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points. So many. So you've got how many points now? You've got 26 points. Okay, you put it there, 26 points. Okay. Okay, here, next, Keo, speaking part 2. Asking and answering questions, you will have to use these cards. Okay, for a while, Keo, okay, study the school bus trip. For a while, I'll go to the bathroom.
Teacher.
For a while, yeah.
I have 15 horse wheel now.
Yeah, I will wait for a while. I will tell you about that. Okay, wait for a while. I will go to the bathroom for a while, okay?
Okay. Ông có ăn trong giờ học không?
Okay, Keo?
Okay.
Okay, here, look at this one. Look at the school bus trip to London. Kindly take a look with that, and then you will have to answer at the right side. Okay, take a look properly. Okay, first, where do we go in the school trip? Where do we go in the school trip?
London.
It's
To London.
Very good. Next one. When is the school trip? When is the school trip?
The school trip is on Saturday, 24th April.
Very good. Which place do we visit?
We visit London. Which Buckingham Palace.
Very
And
good.
in the afternoon, we go shopping in Oxford Street.
Okay, Oxford. Oxford. Again, Oxford. Very good.
Oxford.
Do we need to take anything with us?
Yes, we need to take a raincoat.
Very good, Geo boy. Next. Okay. What time do we have lunch?
We have lunch at 1 p.m.
Okay, good job, Geo. Perfect. Next one here. Here, look at this one. Okay, now imagine, look at this one. You are a teacher. Talk about the school trip based on the given information. Can you tell this to your students? Imagine you are a teacher. Can you tell this to your students?
I don't know.
Okay, so you will say, hello, school bus trip to London will be on Saturday, 24th of Saturday, April. So in morning time, we will go to...
I will try.
Okay, you try. I will give you a point. 5 points if you can do it.
Teacher.
Okay.
Hello, this is a school trip to London. We will meet at Saturday, 24th of April. And in the morning, we will go to Buckingham Palace. And we will have lunch at 1 p.m. In the afternoon, we will go shopping in Oxford Street. And please take your raincoat.
Yeah, very good, Kayo. I thought you don't know. I thought you don't know, but you're very good. How come? How come? Wow, very good. Good job. Okay, I've got 5 points for that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, next. Okay, look at this one. Okay, now, first look at this. This is about the swimming pool. Okay, I will ask you question the same thing like what we did. What is the opening time of the swimming pool?
From Monday to Saturday is 7:30 and on Sunday is 8 a.m.
Okay, how much is the ticket?
The ticket will cost $1.75. Under 16 is 70p.
Hey, what is the address of the pool?
Is in a Fourth Center Norman Road.
Hey, is there a cafe?
Yes, there's a cafe open every day.
Very good. Do they have lessons for children?
Yes, they have lesson for children on Saturday morning.
Very good. Wow, Keo, you make me impressed. 5 points again. Okay, next one. Okay, now, you try to imagine now, you talk about the pool based on the given information, like what you did a while ago. Go, Keo.
Hello, today we will go to the swimming pool. When you're on holiday, can go on Monday to Saturday. It's open at 7:30 a.m. and close at 8 p.m. But on Monday or Saturday you are busy, you can go on Sunday at 8 a.m. and close at 6:30.
Okay, wow, very good. Oh, continue.
The ticket for adult is £1 to £75, and under 16 years old we will have £70. The less you can buy a lesson for children on Saturday morning, and there is a cafe too. It's open every day.
Yeah.
The address is Oxford Start Center, Norman Road.
Very good, Keo. Okay, 5 points again. Okay, so many. Okay, next one here. Okay, so we will be having another one set. Okay, so we have only 5 minutes. Okay, we'll just have 5 minutes. Okay,
What?
for a while.
I learn too fast.
Okay, yeah, very fast. Why very fast? Okay, just count your points. You've got 20 points now.
Does 20 equal
20 plus 26? Okay, wait. 20 plus 26?
60, 20 plus 62.
Oh, 26 plus 20, it's 46.
Right.
Okay.
862 plus 20.
Okay, 26 2 plus 20. What's the total? It's
It's
882.
882.
Okay, I will ask you now. Keo, do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
What sort of music do you like?
I like a different word.
Oh, like example, can you sing for teacher? Do you know how to sing? Do you know how to sing?
Yes, but I don't want to sing now.
Oh, you can sing with teacher. It's only teacher Ann can hear your song. You sing for a while, only one line. La 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 la. Oh, what is your song? Do you still remember the song of teacher? The first time we have our first class. Do you still remember that?
Yes.
What is that? Do you still remember?
A food song.
A fruit song. What's the fruit song of teacher? Watermelon.
Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya, banana, banana, fruit salad, fruit salad.
Very good. Wow, do you still remember that, Keo? That was very old. You still remember? Very good,
Yes.
Keo boy. Okay. Now, do you often listen to music in your free time? Yes or
Yes.
no? Where
Yes.
did you listen it?
I listen it at home.
Oh, you
Maybe
listen.
at the school, because when free time, my school will take a music.
Oh, wow, really? Where do you often listen to music? Where?
I often listen to music in my house.
Wow, in your house. Do you have a CD, Keo? You know what is CD?
Yes, I don't have a CD.
Okay, so
Oh
five.
wait, I have a CD.
Macy, Macy. Macy, where's your CD?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it's big. Your CD is big. Yeah, what's inside
Yes.
the CD? What's inside the CD? Wow, yeah. What's inside? It's a song? Global. It's Global English. It's a CD about English. Okay. So you've got 5 points here. Okay, let's continue. Now here. Music genre. Look at this one. Okay, can you see that? You will what? Music genre. Okay. You will read it again as genre. It's not genres. Okay. Please always remember that. It's genre. Okay. So in music genre, we have different kind of music. Like first, we have disco. This is very hot. You can dance anytime. This is rock. Look at rock. Rock music. This is classical. It's quite old music. It's for old music, classical. Next is heavy metal. You can say,
I know. Guitar, boom.
oh yeah. Okay. And this is rap. Okay.
I know rap.
Rap. KO boy. KO boy. Like that. It's rap. Punk. Oh my God. Look at the boy. Look at the boy in the punk music. Can you see the boy? Oh my God. Look at that.
Punk. It's nearly like rock.
Yeah, nearly. Very good, Kyo. It's nearly right. The rock. Look at the hair. Oh. And he has a lot of earrings. Can you see the earrings? The earrings of the man? Yeah. So those are the different music genre here. So we also have here the reggae, okay? The instrumental in which you cannot have the sound. No sound of music, no lyrics. It's only humming like that's instrumental. No lyrics, no music. Jazz. Electronic, like tick, 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 like and then the country and the
I know.
blues.
What is
Okay.
jazz?
Where is jazz is like da 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 da, like dancing, and they use the saxophone, like na na na. It's very old. It's for old fashioned. Okay, so those are the different kind of music genre, different kinds. Okay, here now your answer is very good. Okay. Who is your, have you ever know your favorite singer, Keo? Do you have one favorite singer that you like most? Do you have one favorite
I
singer
like
that you like most?
Worry
Ah, where is she or where is he? Where is he?
is in Latvia.
Oh, now. So we have here, okay. Your favorite band, do you have favorite band, Keo?
Latvia is like this.
Ah, Rap Viet. Ah, I know. Rap in Vietnam? Rap Viet?
Yeah.
It's rap in Vietnam. Okay. So, where is or what is her genre? What is the
The
genre?
general is about rap
Ah, it's about rap. Why do you listen to their music? Why?
because I like rap.
Oh, you like rap. And can you name the favorite rap music that you told me? Can you name?
Hero team.
Oh, I don't know about that. But I'm sure he is a very good singer. Is he a very good singer?
He
She?
he
He is a very good singer. Wow. I know in Vietnam, you have different kinds of singer. You have a lot of favorite singer. Okay. Okay, you've got 5 points here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, look at this one. Is he beautiful? Is she beautiful, Keo?
who is that?
It's a singer. Okay, for example, my favorite singer is Taylor Swift. This is Taylor Swift. Okay, Taylor Swift is an American. She used to be the famous for her country music and now she changes to pop. I love listening to her songs because they are very arousing and catchy. This is Taylor Swift. Okay. Taylor Swift is an American, a very good singer. Okay. So her songs mostly are very arousing and catchy. That is why a lot of teenagers like to listen her music. That's Taylor. Okay? So tomorrow, Keo, we will continue our discussion. You got 10 points.
Okay.
Add 10 points. So you have
Plus
892 points. Okay? You take note.
okay.
You
Okay,
got,
goodbye now.
okay, for now. Bye, Keo boy.
Bye.
Okay.